Hello everyone. This is a video on attraction psychology. Yes, I'm going to talk about law of attraction. The way you express yourself is the way you become. Way you act is the way you become. Suppose you're going to gift somebody a birthday present. One of your friend is very humble and very easygoing person, looks very simple, who likes hobbies like gardening and reading. You probably give them a book. But you have another friend who splash cash all the time, talk about the exotic holidays non-stop and about her latest gadgets and things. What would you buy them? You know that they have everything what they want. You will get them a beautiful watch or a cool gadget or probably a theater ticket or anything. You get the point? The rich friend and the person who acts rich actually gets more spent on them. They have put signals out into the universe as it way, and the universe has responded in kind. Someone who puts out humble signals and maybe doesn't act quite so rich ends up with a gift that is much lower in value, which doesn't really make sense. I'm not here to claim that living a moderate, humble life is in any way bad or successful. All I'm saying is that where you put out is where you get back. If you want to be highly successful, you need to act it. Fake it until you make it. Did you know that when you smile, you actually produce happy hormones? Sometimes your smile isn't genuine. If you force yourself to smile, then you will become happier because your body sends signals to brain that you are happy. So acting happy makes you happy, right? So, law of attraction really works. Yes, it works to a degree, but there is a proactive part. Where your focus goes, so your energy. The things you're concerned about, the thoughts you nurture, matters that raises your vibration, people you spend time with, topics you are research oriented on, everything affects the law of attraction. How you take up your opportunities. Are you success conscious or failure conscious? Are you focusing on achieving it? Are you afraid of the failure you're going to face? So saying yes to the opportunities is an important key to attraction psychology. You will have to say yes multiple times. It is scary. It is scary to step into something new. You need to present yourself in the way that you attract opportunities. Suppose you're looking for a very high profile job. You need to dress up and act in the way that you're fit for that high profile job and not on the current job that you're doing. So you are making your own luck by chasing opportunities. So in order to fulfill our wishes, we need to look the opportunities, look the part, act the part, be ready and seize the opportunities and make it happen. The first way the things can go wrong for you is that you may fail. Whenever opportunities comes and you seize it and then you fail. This is not a failure, it is an attempt. Those two words can describe the precise same event, but they have completely different meaning. An attempt simply means you'll try again, right? If you don't give up, you don't fail. So keep on rolling the dice. Learn the power of repetition. Anything you want in life requires skill, patience, and repetition. We all have this called imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome is a psychological phenomenon and affliction that affects many of us. That is, we are feeling that we are not worthy of the opportunities that are being offered to us. But you wouldn't be where you are right now unless you deserved it, right? Even if you have to work a little harder, if you're capable of faking it, then you are better than 99% of the competition. You will be able to make it happen. So all the things in life that are scariest are most always the most worthwhile and the most valuable things. Actually, you don't know your own worth. That is the point. One of the reasons that we get imposter syndrome in the first place is simply that we have no idea of our own worth. We don't value ourselves highly enough and we think we aren't capable, and thus we present ourselves in a way that undermines our value. This is why so many people end up not taking opportunities and not forcing to progress in life. Life gets in the way. One of the biggest things holding back is the fact that the life gets in its own way. There is never a good time to start something new. A lot of people never come to anything because they feel like they are losing opportunities. When you're rich, it becomes much easier to become richer. Why? Because you need to spend to accumulate. If you have money, you can invest and you can make more back. So, it is very important that you seize the opportunities you have and you realize the worth of yourself and make it happen for you. Present yourself and raise your vibration in such a way to the universe that you are ready for it. Universe will align you and take care of the manifestation process and also your journey ahead. Thank you everyone and have a great day.